What's going on, you guys? So we're gonna build this Chuck Norris quotes web app with Elm and JSON web tokens to authenticate a protected API. So there's an unprotected API, and that's how we're getting these quotes here. And then we're also gonna do a protected API. And I can show you that here. Network. So when we grab this random quote, this is the API slash random quote URL. And then we're going to get a protected URL that calls it protected. Okay, let's log in. All right, we've logged in. And now when we grab this one, it's calling this protected API slash protected slash random quote. So I'm going to show you how to do that, or how to install this app. So what are we going to do? We're going to go here, Jeff Langwater for Elm JWT tokens. So we're going to install this with git. Okay, so git clone. Let's clear this. So we're going to git clone like this. And we're going to cd into Elm, and then follow these instructions here. So it says we're going to clone this one. This is the server that serves up the quotes. So let's see. We can do that in here. So we'll git clone inside here. Doesn't really matter where. Oops. Okay, so now we'll run in this one. So we need to go into Node.js, install Express server. So we'll wait for that to happen. Then we're going to run this server that will be serving up the Chuck Norris quotes. Okay, so we're going to do node server. Oh, right. So let me turn this off. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, so now we got our server running, and now we're going to run the front end. So we're going to do, we're going to run Elm Reactor. Let me turn this off here. Okay, Elm Reactor. Go to localhost. Okay, we're gonna hit source. So as it says here, sorry. So we're gonna click source, and we're gonna click index.html. Okay, let's do that. Source, index.html. Okay, so now we've made it to our app, and let's see if it's running. Okay, let's see if we can register a user. Register. Okay, cool. Now let's make the protected quote, the protected API call. So let's see that in action here. As you can see, we're calling this protected API. All right, guys, that's how you can set up this Elm with JSON Web Tokens app. The link will be in the description. All right, see ya.